And our first Fortnite drawing is ready. But before we jump into this drawing, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. For those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an amazing online platform to learn from over 25,000 courses and classes in all types of categories like design, business, technology, writing, photography, editing, and especially drawing and illustrations, where you can learn several different types of courses and classes about how to draw eyes, faces, body in different types of poses, how to make your own characters, how to design and place your characters. There are professional online courses which will help you to increase your skills, your knowledge about any particular activity that you're curious about and want to learn more about it. I have been using Skillshare for more than over 6 months now, and it has helped me so much to develop my skills in drawing, especially in editing, in filming, and there is still so much more that I want to learn through Skillshare. There are n number of classes and courses which will teach you step-by-step tutorials in any activity or field you are interested in. Skillshare has a special offer for all the Ayush Pencil Art viewers, where you can get 2 months of premium Skillshare access completely free by using this code here on the screen. This will give you a full access to over more than 25,000 online courses on Skillshare. So go check it out. I have also shared a link in the description box where you can redeem your 2 free months of Skillshare online courses. You will need a credit card to sign up, but they don't charge you until the end of those 2 months. Also, you can cancel anytime if you don't like the experience and the online courses, which probably won't happen because those courses and classes are really helpful for growing your skills and become better. This offer is only available for first 500 people, so hurry up and register now. And now let's jump straight into our drawing. This drawing was a total experiment. I wanted to try something new, and that's why I chose to draw a Fortnite character which I had never ever done before. And honestly, it was really challenging to draw, but at the same time it was so much fun to draw such a character which looks so cool. At the end, I finished it off with a background where I wanted to draw sort of blue flames coming out of Ice King, which is the name of this Fortnite character, so that it suits the character and make our drawing more epic, which I think turned out really awesome. At the end, after adding the background, it looked way more awesome, and I am really happy with the results. It was really fun to draw my first Fortnite character ever. Do share which more other characters from Fortnite you want me to draw in future in comment section down below, and don't forget to drop a like if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already for more awesome drawings like these and more awesome content in future. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.